Have you ever had your project plan looking really nice, then you do something and the line spacing between the Gantt chart bars increases and you don't know why? In this video, I'll show you one possible reason and how to fix it. Okay, so here we are in our sample project plan and there's quite a bit of spacing between the Gantt chart rows. We've tried closing up the spacing, but that hasn't seemed to help. Well, one of the most common reasons for the spacing could be that an entry in the table is running into two rows, but that isn't the case here, and even if it was, it would only impact that line and not all of them. What we want to look for is the text on the Gantt chart that is either above or below the bar. And sure enough, the line here has the start date above the bar, and that's not only causing that row to increase in size, but it's doing the same to all the rows. So to solve this, we highlight the row in question. We select the Gantt chart format tab, we look for the bar styles group, and we drop down the format button. We click on the bar icon, and we make sure the bar text tab is selected. And upon looking, we can see that the start date is on the top of the bar. And when we remove that, we can see that the line spacing has returned to normal. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did and you'd like more hints and tips on using Microsoft Project, then please follow my Linktree to find out where I post on Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube. If you'd like to know more about the formal training that I can provide on the use of Microsoft Project, then my contact details are here too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye now.